one of my favorite singer, Krishnakumar Kunnath, who recently passed away because of a sudden cardiac arrest. He has sung many favorite songs here in Tamil, namely the Strawberry Kanne, Appadi Pode song all. So a singer like him, who is the favorite singer for most of our people in India, a sudden loss of him is shocking news to all. I thought we'll analyze why this has happened to him and how can it be prevented. Hello, I am Dr. Subburaja Thiagarajan, Consultant Interventional Cardiologist, SPT Hospital, Coimbatore. According to a celebrity, it can be a politician, it can be a comedian, it can be a singer or an actor. They perform to satisfy all public, all people around. So when they are up to a satisfaction mark, they feel more pressurized, and because of their commitment, they work day and night, and this causes more stress to them. Number two is when they are performing, claps they listen makes them perform even better, and this makes them more excited and even to perform even better, to have even a more louder claps. So this will have much excitement as well as stress in them to finish off this job successfully, and because of their work commitment, back to back or morning one event, at night one event. So this takes a lot of pressure on them. When their physical and mental preparation is not enough for them to do it successfully, to satisfy the people and to make the people more happier because of their performance. And this causes excitement as well as stress in them, leading to an acute cardiac event. It can be a heart attack, it can be an arrhythmia, that is the heart might beat very fast on them, or it can even be a pre-existing cardiac problem like a hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy causing all this. So how can it be prevented? One thing is, if they are being identified with a problem earlier, they have to restrict themselves to what they can do. Number two is, if they are very stressed, probably they have to relax themselves, and they have to get satisfied first to themselves and then expect satisfaction from the public. So this can reduce their stress burden on them. Number three is, whenever they have back-to-back schedule, they can just relax themselves. The relaxation can be in any means. The most thing which they like, they can do in between the events, and it should be disconnected from the pre-existing event. It can be a simple book reading, it can be a simple food which they like, or even a music or a simple walk around which they like the most. If done at that particular point of time, the stress which has happened in the morning is vanished, and they will be prepared for the next event in a great manner, and they will successfully complete it. Because all these people require a continuous journey of approximately 4 to 6 hours to complete the session and back-to-back travel. So this will definitely lead to more stress, and the concentration to win or fulfill the people's excitement or people's happiness, this creates an overstress to them during that point. And the other simple technique you can do to relax this is, when you simply close your eye immediately, you will feel your tongue is touching the roof. And when you bring the tongue down on the floor, you feel it more relaxed. And number two is, when you concentrate only on your breathing, you forget everything else. If you concentrate on that immediately, your entire stress, whatever you're thinking on your mind at that particular point, gets totally relaxed. And number three is, you can just close your eyes, concentrate on your breathing, tell yourself, relax, relax for a few minutes. Naturally, your entire body gets cooled. God has given the gift of repair hormones among yourself to repair whatever has happened for the entire day. That's why sleep is very important role in this. When you don't have a sound sleep, naturally your stress hormone will be on higher part than the repair hormone, and you get the repair hormone released only when you have a good sound sleep and it should be in a dark room so that the melatonin hormone secretes, and that is a repair hormone for your body. In spite of doing all this, still you are stressed. There is other way to plan it. So you have to plan your work. Note down the important to-do list, which is very, very important, without which you cannot call off the day. Do that, relax yourself, do it whenever you are active on the next session. And when you start doing all this kind of relaxation part in between, and whenever you have opportunity, please postpone your schedule at least with a gap in between. So don't keep neck to neck or back to back sessions or events, whatever pressure from your surroundings. So at the cost of your health, you will be working more, stressing more, and reduce your age than others. Thank you.